we had our NEC meeting today, and following is our statement. We need to thank you, members of the fourth state, for joining us here today at the Wiper House, and a Happy New Year for 2025 to all Kenyans. On December 30th, 2024, our party leader, His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo, in his capacity as the People's Loyal Opposition Team Leader, made a promise to Kenyans that 2025 will be a year of action. That action starts with the Wiper Democratic Movement Party. Following public outbursts in the category of hate speech and continuously violation the ethics and codes prescribed in the Wiper Party Constitution, including the disciplinary procedure outlined in Article 731 IX and in exercise of Article 3.8b 2, the National Executive Council NEC has fully approved the expulsion of Honorable Farah Maalim as the Deputy Party Leader, which was announced by our party leader on January 15, 2025. Wiper Democratic Movement will lead demonstrations by the end of March unless progress is made towards the reconstitution of the new Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. Wiper will solidify its presence across the country by carrying out party elections in a structured manner, culminating in a national delegates convention. Finally, Wiper Democratic Movement will hold recruitment rallies across the country to witness the issuance of national identity cards as well as recruitment of voters. We urge our Gen Zs and all Kenyans who have not yet registered to do so, and also register as voters for them to be part of the present and future decision-making process. We thank you and welcome for any questions. Our party can give his remarks, our party leader.
Okay.